Welcome to Michael's Avery channel.
For today's video, we will visit our mango orchard in the rice field near our aviary, next barangay after our barangay, and it's so hot. It's harvest season now in the Philippines of rice, and at the same time, it's also a mango season here in the Philippines. Our mango orchard is integrated in the rice field, a sustainable agroforestry system integrating R2E2 mango trees with rice cultivation. This setup maximizes land use, enhances biodiversity, and promotes soil health. The mango trees provide partial shade and wind protection, while rice benefits from improved microclimate and organic matter, ideal for small to medium scale farms aiming to diversify income and ecological balance. We choose R2E2 mango from Australia because of its large attractive fruit, sweet mild flavor, long shelf life, high yield potential, strong tree growth, and market demand. Sad to say, I didn't include the video in picking up the mango since I requested a friend to do it for us. Since it's really very hot here in the Philippines, I just pay someone to pick the fruits from the tree. And here is the final fruits, ready for the birds. Fresh R2E2 mango from the tree to the parrots. The reason we planted R2E2 mango from Australia is it's tolerant to some pests and diseases, generally hardy with good resistance if properly managed. Another point is its adaptability to various soil types. It grows well in loamy to clay soil with good drainage, just like in our place. And another point is extended harvest window. It can be harvested over a longer period compared to other varieties. And also, it's low maintenance once established. Requires less pruning and intensive care. As a tree crop, it also absorbs carbon and improves air quality in farm systems. And lastly, it has lots of benefits for our parrots when given in moderation. We have a good count of the mangoes that we pick from the tree. It's around 30 kilograms. Parrots will consume for like 2 to 3 days. Since it was picked unripe, it has a longer shelf life compared with the ripe one. And we don't normally give ripe fruit to our parrot, as we have learned from Tony Silva's tips. Since parrots are not good in processing sugar, it is best to give unripe fruits which has less sugar content and is better for our birds. Even unripe mangoes are packed with full of nutrients. So this is what we do when we have a fresh harvest of mangoes. We choose the unripe mango and we make sure it's free from molds, pesticides, or bruises. Here are some benefits of unripe mango to parrots when given in moderation. First, it's rich in vitamin C, boosts the parrot's immune system. And number two, it's a natural antioxidant, helps fight oxidative stress. And also, it aids in digestion. The sourness can stimulate appetite and the digestive enzymes. And also, for hydration, high water content keeps parrot hydrated, especially this summer. Aside from the electrolytes that we give to the parrots or our birds, we also give them fresh fruits to keep them hydrated. And one of the best things that we discover is also for enrichment. Different texture and taste provides mental stimulations to the birds, as you can see here in the video. Another good points with giving mango, unripe mango to our parrot is the weight management. Lower sugar contents help avoid obesity in captive parrots. Also, its prebiotic properties. Unripe mango contains fiber that may help nourish good gut bacteria. It's also act as a natural cleanser. It can help flush toxins and aid in liver health. And for this summer, its cooling effect. In tropical heat, unripe mango is believed to help cool down the body naturally. And it also supports feather health. Nutrients in mango promote feather growth and shine. And it also improves beak strength. The slightly firmer texture help exercise their beak. And according to studies, it's also an appetite booster. Sour fruits like unripe mango may encourage picky eaters to try new food and boost energy naturally. The unripe mango, though less sugary, it still contains trace minerals and vitamins that support metabolism. And lastly, low in sugar. Compared to ripe mangoes, unripe mangoes have low sugar content, which is better for some parrots, if not for all. A friendly reminder, always feed in small amounts. Too much acidity may cause digestive upset, and it's best served raw and fresh. If you can pair with leafy green or greens for balanced offering. And also, avoid giving mango sap, the sticky liquid near the stem, as it may irritate your parrot's skin or the mouth. So it's best to wash the unripe fruits of any kind of fruits, not only the mangoes. These are the first batch of hatch of our sun conure last January, and they are now familiar with the mangoes and other fruits. And now we're giving to the flight cage. It's so good for them since it's very hot now. And now the kite pairs are also given an R2E2 mango treat. And of course, we won't forget Sparkle and Sunday, our favorite kite pair. Let's not forget our African gray pairs. We also get an R2E2 mango fruit treat. And here's another pair of African gray parrot. Another extras for the kite, since mangoes are their favorite fruit, the unripe one. See, it's munching already. They're so used to the unripe mangoes, they know what to do the moment they see the fruit. And for the Indian ringneck pairs, we also give them but on top of their cage to have them a little bit of challenge. They get stimulated when they get their food from up there. Challenge is really important to the birds. And this is our way of giving them challenges. Getting their food up there.
Thanks for visiting Michael's Aviary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more bird keeping content. See you in the next video!